How to add Find My Widgets on Android. So in order to add or find your widget on Android, you just have to zoom out using your two fingers. Then at the bottom of the screen, you can easily see the widgets option. Open it. And here are different kinds of widgets you can easily find by scrolling them and choose any one that you want to add on your home screen on your Android device. Once you have chosen, so let's tap on it. As you can see that the widget has already been appeared on our home screen. If you want to remove it, you can also tap on the widget's minus like icon, which is at the top right corner in this way, and tap on remove widget. But for now, let's tap on done at the top right corner of the screen. It's been successfully added on our home screen on our Android device. So in this way, you can easily add Find My Widget on Android. I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.